Let's go, let's hurry. Yo, it's Dr. Jany on the track, replacing implants, no turning back. You've got the plan, you've got the scan. Now let's prep that surgical tray, man. Before you drill, get that vision clear. True surgical stent, we got it here. True probe and mirror, double check. Landmarks mark, respect the neck. CBC, get that scan. Study bone like a master plan. Mark your site, no guessing games. This ain't luck, we're calling names. Implant Tool Jam, pass the tray. From flap to fix, we drill all day. Torque it right and irrigate. It's precision moves that make it great. From pilot drill to final twist, every tool has its checklist. Don't just place, perform with class. With Dr. Jany, you're gonna pass. To scalpel blade, incision clean, full thickness flap so the bone is seen. To periosteal elevator next in line, reflect that tissue nice and fine. To surgical drills, start with pilot, sequence matters, don't stay silent. Twist drill, step drills, maybe spade, use depth control, mistakes don't fade. To parallel pins, check your path, avoid the nerve or face the wrath. To implant driver, torque control, slow and steady, that's the goal. 35 NCM, hold the line, seating depth, align it fine. To 8 torque wrench, make sure it's tight, healing abutment, seals it right. Don't forget that sterile zone, respect the field, protect the bone. To Implant Tool Jam, steady hands, it's science, skill, and chairside plans. Clean that site, suture with care, your patient leaves with dental flair. From guide pin to torquey twist, every step don't ever miss. This ain't just a surgery class. With Dr. Jany, you'll